Today we'll introduce the EasyWay 10kWh high voltage lithium battery and the Solinteg inverters installation for you. Firstly, connect the battery's positive terminal to the inverter's positive terminal. Then link the battery's negative terminal to the inverter's negative terminal. At last, connect the battery's communication port to the inverter's communication port. Alright, connections are done. Let's start the testing. Firstly, turn on the battery breaker. Then press and hold the power button for 8 seconds. Then switch on the inverter's display. Turn on the inverter app on your phone too. Once turn on the inverter app and log in, you will see the battery data, battery module. It currently shows panel high voltage and the BMS communication status. This is displaying normal right now. Go to the parameter page and you'll find battery parameter. This includes all the data descriptions. The installation is now completed.